Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2005 Honda Goldwing. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2005 Honda Goldwing with 101,436 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with aftermarket mufflers, grips, upper fairing wind deflectors, fairing vent trim, a rider backrest, a Mustang Tour Pack backrest pad, a trailer hitch, a luggage rack, Tour Pack and saddlebag lights, and a windshield. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel capacity, the Goldwing has a 170 to 220 mile range. It has a 29.1-inch seat height and an 895-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Goldwing will need rear brake issues addressed. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted, the driving light and mute buttons are stuck down and the hazard button won't stay down. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The trim on the front fender is peeling. There are paint blemishes on the right saddlebag, scratches on the left saddlebag, and paint blemishes on the top case. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.